Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Facebook poster for creating posts and call to actions. And it has a lot of different posting that you can do. I'll just head on down to, it says social posting. And I click on there and you can see that there's a lot of different options. There's the Facebook poster and then there's the social poster. Now you have to import your accounts first. If you've imported your Facebook accounts, they're already imported right here. But also you need to import all your social media like YouTube and Twitter and so forth here as well. In this video we're going to be talking about the Facebook poster, and there's really three aspects that you can do to it with it. Let me just shrink this down here. There is the, I'm trying to get everything on one screen here. There is the multimedia post. This is where you put text, links, images, videos. There's call to action posts. And also carousel and video posts that you can do with a slideshow. Okay, so in this one we're going to do a I can pick anyone, but we're going to try it on the campaign list. From here we're going to create a post. Now before you do that, you want to create a reply to the post, because what you can do, I'll show what you can do here. It says auto reply template, and so when somebody's visiting your post and they make a comment, you can have them automatically given a reply to that comment and set up a private reply so that they're added to your bot list. So make sure that you select an auto reply template for that, and probably a good idea to do that right now. So let's just head over to the comment automation, go to the reply template. And we're going to create a new template. And we're going to select a page. And I have another video that goes over all this, so just bear with me. I'm going to skip through this, and I'm going to make it generic. I have a campaign name, chat post demo. Hey, thanks for the comment. I sent you a PM. There you go. And you can put their first name as a tag and so forth. You can have an image and a video reply as well, or else you can put your image URL right here. And also you can create a private reply as well. And for that you can send them to your bot or whatever you want. Okay, I'm going to add another message for the private reply, and you can send up to 2 of them. Okay, so I'm going to send them a private reply. And it's going to be a private reply. And it's going to be private reply for chat bot. Okay, there we go. And you can make it. You can send them all kinds of stuff here for a private reply. So make sure to see. Hey, thanks for the comment on my post. I got something cool to show you, and it's free. And I'm going to have another reply with a button. To and choke my Soci chat bot, and there is a free version that you can get started with right away. Check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Get started free. And I'm going to put the URL to login for free. And it's going to be home login. There you go. Submit that. Close. There, so that's the private reply. And now I'm going to save that. Okay, so that's done. So now let's head over to the poster, social posting, and we'll create our call to action. Create a new post. And these are all the things you can do. Let's create a campaign here. Social chat post 1. And you can type your message in here and you paste a link, the call to action type, what Facebook pages you want to post it to, and your message reply. That's the reply. That's going to be, if someone makes a comment, it's going to send them that. It's going to reply it to their comment, but also send them a private reply, and that puts them on your bot list. You can also schedule it to a future date, time zone, and you can repost it a number of times as well. So you can make it periodic. So let's, I'll show you what you can do here. So paste the link right in here. I'll put, there we go. I'll put that in there. And that's their preview right there. And message type is going to be, let's see here, sign up. There you go. And you can see that as soon as I put sign up, there's another link, and it says call to action button link. And so I can put a different URL. I can put, see, so shop now, or what have you. Okay. Great. Good for you. Social chat. Bill. And do launches. Package. We'll love it. Okay. So here's the preview. And so I'm going to post it to a few pages. I'm going to post it to my SociChat bot. I'm going to post it to my Market Leads tips. I'm going to post it to my list magnet. So that's just 3 for now. Okay. And so I'm going to click on Create Campaign. There you go. It's been for 4. Then you can click here to see the report. So there's the report. Okay, you can see that all 3 posted, and here's the pages here. And you can see that if you want to visit the page, you can go ahead. But also, you want to see the comment as well. So I'll show you how this works. So I'm going to visit one of the pages here. I'm going to take this page, and I'm going to, let's see, let's visit the list magnet. Okay, click on there. I'm going to check on the page. There's the page there. Now I'm going to visit, this is in Chrome. I'm going to visit this in my Firefox browser, a different browser. So I'm signed up in it as a different user. Okay. So I'm going to go to that page, and I'm going to pretend I'm a different user, and I'm going to look at that post. There's the post, and I'm going to pretend I'm going to make a comment, and I should get an automatic private reply, but also reply to the comment and be put on the bot. Thanks for the offer. Looks great. Okay. So that's what I just wrote as a guest. So there should be a reply right here, but also there's the private reply. See, there's the private reply right here. Okay. Thanks for check it out. Get started free. So that's the private reply. And there should be a reply right on the post as well. Let me just refresh this. It's based on a cron job. And there's a reply. I sent you a PM. Okay, so I did this and also did the PM as well. So it works out great. And if you go back to the dashboard, you can see all this. So if you want to go to your comment automation, and you can go to reports. I did a few tests, and you go to auto reply report. Okay, here's the report. So at the list magnet, when I click on there, I can see campaign report. And there it is there. Okay, there's a name. There's the comment status, successful. Private reply, successful. Okay. I'll look at the dashboard. You can come down here and see what's happening. You can see that here's your latest auto reply. And there they are there from GTrush. I did it a few times. And then there's your completed Facebook posters. Okay, if you want to see them all, you can click on there. So that's some of the stats that you can look at. And that's how I use the Facebook poster on the social posting. Thank you.